In this video, I'll show you how to add a bank account to a Facebook page for payouts step by step. First, sign in to Meta Business Suite and select the business portfolio or Facebook page that receives your eligible earnings. From the dashboard, open Monetization and select Payouts or Payout Settings. Choose the payout account you want to manage and look for the option to add or update a payout method. Select Bank Account if it's available, then enter your bank account information, such as the account holder's name, bank details, and any other information Meta requests. Make sure the information matches your legal and payout records. Follow any verification steps, which may include confirming your identity or business information. Review the details carefully and save the bank account. After Meta verifies the information, the bank account may become available as your payout method. Keep in mind that payout options and requirements can vary by country, account type, and monetization program. That's how you can add a bank account for Facebook page payouts through Meta Business Suite. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Facebook and Meta tutorials. Thanks for watching.